My name is Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. So tonight I'm going to do a scallops in lemon butter with little spinach leaves as a starter. It's very straightforward. Some nice fresh scallops from my fishmongers, which is at my farmer shop every Tuesday. I always put the garlic in the butter. So I mix the garlic and the butter together, make sure it's nice and soft, and just some lemons. That's it, and then obviously some spinach leaves. I've got these nice little shell plates. Let's put them on. Heat the pan up first, it's really hot. Stick the butter in with the garlic. Don't wait too long, stick the scallops in. With some lemon juice. And then literally I would do 2 minutes each side. So quick and easy scallop starter, even after a couple of glasses of wine.